Tired of your boring stock wheels? We got you covered. Hey guys! Allow me to share this premium accessory sent over by EVBase for us to review. This is an aftermarket wheel cover designed specifically for Tesla Model YL. This is called Mecha Wheels, and it's a plug-and-play replacement to your stock 19-inch aero covers. The design was inspired by Tesla's own performance models, and it looks really good, especially in this black and gray colorway. There are 4 styles to choose from to suit your taste. Please check out the description box below for product links and details. When you order, don't forget to use my discount code, Cars and Coffee, to get 20% off your purchase. You can also get these hubcaps with Tesla logo to further personalize your wheel covers. I chose red for a more sportier look, but you can also have it in white or matte black. Really depends on your personal preference. This is how it looks with the logo, and this is how it looks like at the back. Now let's start installing this protective tape around the edge of the wheel cover. This is to protect your rims and at the same time reduce noise and vibration. All done. Now we can start the removal of the stock wheel covers. Just use the pry tool supplied by Tesla to remove the stems. Once you successfully remove the first one, the rest will be a lot easier. Now do the same for the rest of the wheels. Clean all the wheels before installing the wheel covers. Installation is a snap, literally. Just align the hole in the wheel cover to the valve stem in your wheel. Press the center to lock it, then push all sides around the wheel until you hear that locking sound. It's so easy to install that anyone should be able to do it. All done. Now check this out. I love how it transformed the look and feel of the car without breaking the bank. Aside from being dull, the stock aero covers doesn't protect the lip of your alloy wheels. Whereas the new ones, it covers the entire wheel, which will provide protection from curb rash. So here is the stock, and this is the new wheel cover. You'll be the judge. As for me, my Tesla now looks sportier and sharper thanks to these new aero covers. Thank you EVBase for making this video possible. EVBase is a premium aftermarket accessory company for leading EV brands such as Tesla, Rivian, and so on. Make sure to visit their website at evbase.com. Just don't forget to use my discount code Cars and Coffee to get 20% discount. Happy shopping!